SOLIDWORKS gives you lots of control over what to show or hide, whether you're in a part, assembly, or drawing. One of the most common ways of doing this is by simply clicking a component, either in the Graphics area or Feature Manager tree, and selecting Hide or Show from the pop-up toolbar. In a drawing, I have this ability as well, but the process is just a bit different. I have to right-click on the component, choose Show and Hide from the right-click menu, and then I can again select the appropriate command. SOLIDWORKS also has a Hide Behind Plane tool available in drawings that you can use to hide and show multiple components at once. And this is a quick and easy way to hide all of the components that fall on one side or the other of a specified plane. Here I have an isometric view of this assembly on my drawing. Let's say that I'd like this view to only show the components in the back half of the assembly. Of course, you could accomplish this same thing by simply hiding all the unwanted front components individually, but in cases where you want to isolate a specific region in the view, or perhaps clean up some unnecessary details from the foreground or background, this can make it a little easier. I'll right-click on a plane that I'd like to use as a barrier, in this case the front plane, and I'll select Hide Behind Plane. A dialog box appears, and I can enter an offset distance. This offset value is useful in case the plane you select isn't exactly in the right location for the boundary. Pay attention to the direction of the arrow in the graphics area. Items will be hidden in the direction that the arrow is facing. You can use the reverse direction checkbox if you need to flip it. With the distance set and the arrow pointing in the right direction, I'll click OK, and you can see the effect. Notice that only components that were completely behind the plane when I ran the tool are hidden. If the component intersected with the plane, it's still shown in the view. To show the components again, I can right-click on the individual components in the feature tree, select Show and Hide, and choose the Show Component command, just like you'd expect. But before I wrap up, let me show you a trick in case I want to show them all at once again. I can right-click on the drawing view in the Feature Manager and select Properties. In the Drawing View Properties dialog box, I'll select the Hide and Show Components tab. I can delete the components from this list to show them again, or I can simply right-click in the selection box and choose Clear Selections. When I click OK, the components reappear in the view.